Hey everyone, today we are going to create a Tinder-like swipe card in Flutter. This kind of card layout is very popular and it will give a very good user experience to the user. So without wasting any time, let's start creating this card layout. So for creating this kind of layout in Flutter, we are going to use a package called Scrum Lab Flutter Tinder Card. This package will help us to create a Tinder-like swipe card layout in Flutter. So come to the pubspec.yaml file and add the package in the dependencies section. Then tap on the pubget option to get the package. Now come to the main.dart file and from here remove this my home page and here create a new stateful widget as swipe card example. Then call this swipe card example from the my app. Now inside this state class, you can also extend it with ticker state provider mixing to add any additional kind of animation. But in this tutorial video, I'm not going to do that. So whether you add it or don't add it, it's don't matter. Now let's add the assets in our project for cards. Okay, so here I have created a assets directory and inside this directory here I'm adding few images. So these are the few profile images and they are AI generated. Okay, now come inside the pubspec.yaml file and here add the assets for this project. Now come to the main.dart file and here create a list of string and let's name this list as Tinder images, and then inside this list here add the path of your all the images. So in this example we have 9 images, so here I have added the path of these 9 images. Now come inside the build method and here first add the card controller. So this card controller will be used to swipe the card and also to get the current index of the card. Okay, now from here remove this empty placeholder and from here return a scaffold widget and then add the body parameter and here add the center widget. Then for its child here add the container widget and add the height of 60% of the current device's height. Okay, then here add the child property and for its child here add the Tinder swipe card widget. Then here let's add the few properties of this widget. So here first add the property as swipe up and mark it as true. So this will allow us to swipe the card in upward direction. Then here add the swipe down and make it to true. So this will allow us to swipe the card downwards. Then here add the orientation. So here add the orientation as a mass orientation dot bottom. So this will help us to set the card's orientation. Okay, then here add the total num. So here we need to add the total number of images. So for that here add the Tinder images list and then add the length property to it so that it will give the total number of items. Then here add the stack num and here add the 2. So stack num means how much images can go behind the primary image. Okay, then here add the swipe edge value as 4. Then here define the view width. So here add the max width, then add the max height, then add the min width, and then add the min height. Okay, then here add the card builder property and this will give us the context and index. So add that. Then from here we need to return our widget which we are going to show inside the card. So here add the card widget and then for its child here add the image asset widget and then add the Tinder images and then its index. Okay, and then for card controller here add the controller and initialize it with the card controller. Okay, then here add the swipe update callback. So this method will get called whenever a swipe thing happen inside this layout. So here add the details and alignment of this and then inside this function here add if align less than equals to 0, like what happen if you just swipe the card in left side or else you just swipe the card in the right side. Okay, then here add the swipe complete callback. So this will give us the details about when the card is removed from the screen, like the card is totally swiped. Okay, then let's remove this container and here add a sized box because this container don't make any sense. So here add that. Now if you save the code and run the application, then you can see our app is launched and our cards are swiping as we wanted. Okay, now let's do the few changes because right now the cards are so edgy. So let's make its corner radius. So here come inside the card property and here add the shape and then here add the rounded rectangle border. Okay, Then here add the border radius property, and here set the radius to circular and then 10. And now if you save the code and run the application, then I guess our cards have rounded corners but images don't. So for fixing that, come inside this card widget and here add the clip behavior, and then add the clip dot anti-alias with save layer. Okay, now if you save the code and run the application, then you can see our image is also having the rounded corner. So that's it for this video. Now you can customize it as per your requirement. And if you enjoyed this video, then please give us a thumbs up, and you can also comment it down below like what we can improve from the next video. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.